I am present every moment again and again. So it means that you can't really put a definition on me. You can't really identify me as saying you are like this or you are like this. And this is my practice. My practice is I do not identify with being a teacher, although I am a teacher of Junvalo Melchizedek School since 6 years, giving workshops all over the world, but I don't identify to it. Because if I would identify to it, I wouldn't be a very good teacher, would I? I'm a mother of a beautiful girl, 9 years old. If I would identify with being a mother, I wouldn't be a really good mother. I'm a wife for 15 years with a beautiful man that I love so much. But if I would identify with being a wife, I wouldn't be a really good wife. So I don't identify with who I really am, because if I identify with it, it's stuck and I cannot really become who I really am. Because who I really am is infinite potential. Who I really am is not even a human being. Who I really am is light, pure energy, pure essence, pure authenticity, pure life source coming through this human being and being here with you. So who I am is I am.